Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, it may be a problem of audio player. So let's say you use SoundCloud or Apple Music or Spotify or even your browser. Firstly, remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check is your application have the last version, so go to the App Store or Google Play and update it if it doesn't. Now, if it didn't help you, next step is to check is you have the last software version. Open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add it here, you will see the same menu. And at the bottom you will see information about new update, if it's available for your earbuds. As you can see, now I haven't it because I have the last software version of this earbuds. And you just tap on it to update it and wait until this update is finished. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new updates like me, next step I recommend it to restart your phone, or if you connect your earbuds with a tablet, restart your tablet. If it also didn't help you, if actually all of these methods didn't help you, the last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then do not close the case. Right here we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold both of these touch areas on your earbuds until these earbuds will turn off. Now let me press and hold. Firstly, it starts blinking, don't worry, it's okay. Here we go, now we keep holding it. Okay, and it just turned off. You can release your finger, and then you just remove it from the charging case, and it will reconnect to your phone automatically. You don't need to remove and add it back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!